and go. All right, Ben, tell us about your project.
Hi, my name is Ben Troxman, and I am back with another project for the competition for Kiddy Coders. Last time I did a Darth Revan when he was stuck inside a Lego, and we had to answer questions in order to for him to escape. And then, of course, we had to join him to the dark side. Well, I didn't. And I am back today with an engineering comic when I, from the future, create the first cloning machine. Let's take it a look. A story, true story, from the future. Loading. This is me in the future. This is my cloning gun. And this is like a grabber. This is like a automatic grabber thing. And this is my hammer. I'm still working on it. 30 hours later, I finish and I say, let's try this thing out. Zap. And then it hits an apple because if it would hit an animal, what if it goes wrong? So he's doing on non-living things. I am doing on non-living things. Laugh graph, just the little sound effect. It worked. See, they're all the same. All of them are the same.
Great work. Great
And
work.
that's what I did.
Okay. Thank you, Ben, and your competition project looks really good.